Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie. Welcome back, and if you are new here, we're a classic car dealer over in Milford, Michigan, and we specialize in everything good, fun, and old. And this is a 69 Bel Air we recently acquired. This is a recent restoration that was completed in 2016, and it's got a big block under the hood, a column shift 3-speed, and a 12-bolt out back. Pretty fun combination of things. We're gonna give you guys the grand tour. We're gonna show you the inside, the out, and we're gonna fire it up, let you hear it. '69 is a pretty unique year for these cars. Not much at all carried over from '68. These are much wider, they have a big, much longer hood with a big brow, elongated taillights, the whole nine. We get into this engine bay here. A gorgeous big block. This has freshly been installed and redone. This is actually a 454 cubic inch engine, dressed up like the 396 that would have been available in this 69 Bel Air. This one's sporting power brakes and power steering. The attention to detail everywhere is what gets me going. Correct GM hoses, all routed nice and clean. I mean, even this heat rising tube there to get some warm air into the intake. Who replaces those? That looks awesome. All the hard lines look good. Hose clamps look good. Even our upper radiator hose, it's got the GM part number on it still. All the correct stickers. Inner wheel tubs look great. Lots of nice parts and bits have been put in here. It definitely looks like someone took their time. Close this up and show you how that fits. Gosh, that's great. The gaps are very consistent. That hood sits nice and flush in between the fenders. It's about as good as it gets. I love that. Now we have a unique grille on these cars. Nice blue bow tie in the center. 4 headlamps, indicators down in the lower valance, and you see that grille continues down into there as well. There's a flat spot on that in case you needed a front plate. All right, now we're gonna run you down the sides of this Bel Air. See our 396 badge in looking sharp. We got a bit of bright work going down the body line of this whole car, which looks great. Breaks things up. I dig our paint match steel wheels with a nice dog dish center caps. We got a good meaty tire on here filling up those wheel arches. Nice Bel Air script. The gaps look great. The panels all fit very flush in. Bright work looks great. This is a post car, which I think is cool, and of course makes the body a bit more rigid. Out back, we have these same sexy paint match steelies. We are sporting a 235/75 on a 15-inch wheel. Really slick set of taillights back here, flushed into the bumper, which is pretty trick. When they're looking that cool, normally they're into the body. This is a 2-piece bumper at that. Nice big trunk. This is huge. Probably like 8 square feet of trunk you get. Trunk seals look great. You've got a jack up underneath behind that tire. Solid floor done in the factory spatter. And from this angle, you can see all of this car's body lines. They're very subtle, but the flares around them wheels really carry in this Azure Aqua. This is the factory color on the car that was just redone a few years back. It looks great, and again, these steel wheels paint match really complete the look of this thing. And the function of the doors are very crisp, the way they open and close. Door cards look great. These appear to be new. I don't see any blemishes over here on my side, nor do I do over on the passenger side. All look good. We come inside of here, we've got nicely recovered front bench seat. Got a bit of vinyl and some black cloth, which looks great. We have brand new carpets, floor mats, pedal covers. The dash is replaced. Speaking of dash, all of our instruments over here, like $1 million. All the lettering is nice and crisp, nothing is faded. Needles are all bright red. This one shows just 25,000 miles, and we got a speedo running up to 120 miles per hour. Steering wheel looks great, nice horn button. We have our manual gear selector right here on the column. This is a 3 on the tree. Just downstairs over here, have a nice little ashtray. Operates very smooth. We have a cigarette lighter. And over on the left-hand side, we got our heater controls, our blower motor controls, and also our lights. We have our Kenwood stereo down below. And our glove compartment right up here. Not much to it, but a good bit of storage. Now you notice this car has no shortage of lap belts. We have 3 in the back, and we actually have 5 buckles up front. That's for your lap, shoulder, everything. Same pattern as the front. These cloth inserts with the vinyl. Rear door cards look great. Ashtrays are all present. Window cranks are working well. And this headliner is 10 out of 10, guys. The headliner is without blemish. It's not sagging and was redone with the time of the restoration. The rear package tray, not sure what you want to put up there, but I can tell you it looks brand new, as is that rear pane of glass and all of the moldings holding everything in. Even the back of your seats, those are very sharp looking. They've churched this whole car up. We appreciate you making it to the end. This is a new arrival and is just now available on our site. Make sure you check out the link in our description. That's where we house 100+ pictures, the whole write-up, where this car was born all the way back to its first delivery and dealer. If you want to know anything more about that, call us up at any time or hit that link. Our phone number is 248-714-2110. My name is Mackenzie over here with Lafontaine Classic Cars in Michigan. We thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. See ya.